Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening WhatsApp, go straight to Settings, then Chats. Turn off the global switch. On iPhone, toggle Save to Camera Roll off. On Android, switch Media Visibility to off. This stops new photos from automatically appearing in your phone gallery. Once done, pause, make sure you understand that global off stops most saves, but individual chats and auto-download rules can still override behavior. We'll fix those in the next step. Next, prevent WhatsApp from downloading images automatically. Go to Settings, Right Arrow Storage, and Data Right Arrow Media Auto Download. For each trigger, mobile data, Wi-Fi, and roaming, uncheck Photos. This avoids files being saved at the download stage. Then inspect chats, open a contact or group, tap their name, and disable that chat's media visibility or save to camera roll. Once done, WhatsApp won't fetch and save images unless you explicitly tap to download or save them. Finish by removing previously saved photos if you want them gone, delete from the phone gallery or files, and empty any WhatsApp album folders. Restart WhatsApp and send or receive a new image to confirm it no longer saves. If images still appear, check for separate backups, Google Photos, iCloud, and remove copies there. On Android, ensure the WhatsApp media folder has no media file to stop indexing. If problems persist, reboot the phone and recheck the 3 settings above.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.